Constantly hitting guardrails? Not getting the result? AI is powerful, but is it really yours? What if you can have your AI lived on your computer instead? No cloud server needed. No monthly payments. Just your trusted personal computer. Ask your questions without worrying hitting the guardrails. Get your answers uncensored. Stay private until it's ready for the world. Learn and study. Plan your projects. Organizing your events. Troubleshooting problems. Coding and write your work. If your internet goes down, your AI keeps working. No unwanted guardrail interruptions. No censored answers that you don't need. From rough ideas to real results. Private and uncensored. No monthly subscription. Offline if needed. Learn how to build your own local AI assistant. Available now.